Amac on the mix. Ugh.
Yo, what up, guys? It's your girl Amac back with another quick tip, and to be honest, a little bit of a rant. This has been happening to me repeatedly lately, and it's driving me insane. So we're gonna focus on what I've highlighted, which is lead 1 and lead 2. And yes, these are the lead vocals, but it's the verse, the pre-hook, and the hook all on 2 tracks that are done like every other line or whatever. So when I'm looking at this, I have no idea like what the arrangement of the song is. And of course, I'm going to listen to the rough and get familiar with it, and I'm going to be able to figure out and start breaking it up like I did down here. But when you're recording someone, you should really be putting the lead verse, the lead pre-hook, the lead hook, the lead post-hook, the lead post-post-hook, lead post-post-post-hook, whatever it is, any section that has a new lead should go on a new track. I'm going to treat these differently. You should probably be treating them differently when you're doing a rough mix, but it just makes the organization so much better. Outside of markers, it shows you exactly, where the song is changing. And for me, when I bring in these stems, I want to start working as quickly as possible to mixing, but you're slowing me down because now I need to figure out what parts are what parts and how I need to separate them and organize them so I can now mix this song. Organization and editing are so important to mixing and to music making and production in general. Get used to doing these things and stop being lazy, for real. Like, you're being lazy. Another thing that's driving me crazy is things like this. And this has happened on a couple mixes lately as well. So I can't play this track, but right here, this is literally just headphone bleed, like seconds after the vocal has stopped being sung. And nobody got rid of it. Nobody cleaned it up. I'm doing that all over the track. I don't want to have to do that. Please clean up your vocals. My job is to mix this record, not have to go through it and be like, here's headphone bleed, here's headphone bleed, here's headphone bleed. Not even like in the middle of where a part is being sung. Just in a part where the vocal is no more being sung. At least just clean up the front and ends of your audio. Please. It's better for you. It's better for me. It's better for the rough mix. And that's all I got for you today. I hope you enjoyed it. Peace.